At Tishk International University, we believe in academic excellence and achieving research excellence by organizing various conferences and workshops. This 9th ICOWOBAS is in alignment with this vision and mission. At 9th ICOWOBAS, we are welcoming all the researchers from around the world, and we are catering keynote speakers and researchers who are stalwart of the research galaxies. Erbil is a very beautiful city. Erbil actually is a very multicultural city. It caters a very traditional values, and at the same time it has all the modern amenities. It is actually a very safe and secure place, and we are really looking forward to welcome you all to this beautiful city. It is indeed a great honor and pleasure for me to welcome you all to the 9th ICOWOBAS conference.